In this video, we'll learn how to set up MongoDB database in Next.js with Mongoose. Let me first walk you through some of the code. In the root directory, there is a folder named models, and inside models, there is a file named todo.js. Here, I have created the to-do schema. The description is of type string, and I have exported the to-do schema. In the env file, I have set up the MongoDB URI. Put your username and password here along with your database name. Inside lib folder, there is a file named connect.js. Here I have connected with the database with the help of mongoose.connect method and passed MongoDB URI that we set up earlier. If the connection is successful, I have console logged connected to MongoDB, and in case there is an error, I have console logged connection failed with the error message. Here I have connected with the MongoDB database that we defined earlier. I have fetched the 6 to-dos. Then I have rendered it here. Let's run our app. We have successfully connected with our database and fetched the to-do. Let's get back to our code. There is problem in our code. The problem is we are creating new Mongoose instance for each request. So when the number of concurrent requests exceeds the available connection in the connection pool, which is set to default maximum of 5 in Mongoose, Mongoose creates additional connections. These additional connections are resource intensive and may result in higher overhead due to creation and destruction of connection for each request. To solve this issue, we have to use existing Mongoose connection instance instead of creating new instance for each request. Let me just copy and paste the solution. Here I have created an empty object. When connect MongoDB function is called, there is no isConnected key, so the if statement does not execute. Then new connection is established. After that, ready state value is assigned to the isConnected key. The value of ready state is either 0 or 1. It returns 1 when the connection is in ready state. Now when the function is called again, the if block gets executed and it returns without creating new connection for the request.